So number 8, it says, what is the domain of the following? So I'm going to just put that into my calculator and look at it. So it's y equals clear, it's a rational expression, so we got to do a fraction, and it's 1 over x, what was it, plus 2? Minus 2. 1 over x minus 2. All right. So we're thinking, oh, let's see, it's with the x, so it's probably that's going to move it left and right, and it's minus 2, so it seems like it would move it to the right 2. And it does. And that was the denominator, so that's a vertical asymptote. All right, you cannot divide by 0. Another way is if you look at the table, you see when x is equal to 2, there's the error. Okay? So basically, if you look at it, x can be anything except 2. All right, that's what that means. Okay? So the domain, remember, is talking about the x values, right? So if we're going to do it in words, right, we'd say all real numbers except x equals positive 2, right? Because if I have a positive 2 here, 2 minus 2, that equals 0, and I would be dividing by 0, right? That would be 1 over 0, and you cannot divide by 0, and you see that in your table. All right, when x gets to 2, you can see that there is an error. All right, so that tells you what the domain cannot be. If I was going to write that in interval notation, I would say x can go from negative infinity to 2, and then it can go right, and then also, or it can go from 2 to positive infinity. But since I have the parentheses here, right, since that's parentheses, the 2 is not included. So that would be all real numbers except 2. And this is in words, and then this is right here, this is interval notation. All right, where you use your parentheses. And if you just put, you don't have, if you didn't put the U's, that's fine. If you just put the intervals, that would be good.